Hi, today we're going to be looking at the October 2018 Magical Earth box. I'm really excited to do this review because, as you know, I started this channel because a lot of times I am really into subscription boxes, but I can't see very good videos or even articles where they show you exactly what's in it. And so I wasn't able to find very many for this box, and so I'm really excited to show you guys and share this information with you so you can see whether you want to make a purchase. So it comes in a mailer. And ooh, it's upside down. It's a pretty box. I am a little surprised because it is really small and it's not a cheap box, but we shall see. Let's withhold our judgment. So it is beautiful. The Magical Earth. It's a little jaguar. This would be my best guess, but I'm not a zoologist. A little bit firm in there. It is heavy. I will say it is heavy. This looks like an amethyst custard, so it's a really pretty box. It says, "Thank you. You're welcome, Magical Earth. Let's see how it goes." I hate ruining the tissue, but sometimes it's just unavoidable. Okay. So Magical Earth doesn't run necessarily by month. They run by zodiac sign. So this is October 23rd to November 21st, which would be what, baby? Oh, Scorpio, duh. So it's Scorpio, and then it tells you all the items. Let's see. So one of the things that attracted me to this box was a personalized horoscope. There's a nice little natal chart. Obviously, it's not my natal chart because they don't know my date of birth, or they do know my date of birth, but not my time or location of birth, which would give me a more accurate natal sign, natal chart. Ooh, it is very firmly on there. Okay, so I am a Leo. It's got a little blurb about Leos. Ooh. So it's a monthly report. You get a little booklet for, you know, what a Leo can expect this Scorpio cycle of 2018. And it's basically every day. Pretty cool. I like that a lot. I'm not super into astrology because I kind of believe you make your own luck, but I do think it's kind of a blueprint. So this is a tarot card. I've never seen this deck. 6, 7, 8 pentacles, or 8 of coins, depending on what deck you have. Sometimes there is even more variation. Oh, and they tell you all about the 8 of Pentacles. So it's basically a card just picked for you. And I really like it because it just kind of is like a message from the universe. Oh, these are so cute. These little teaspoons with little quartzes on top. I love them. This is very, very cute. Love it. Ooh. Tree of Life. That's one of my absolute favorite symbols. This is the Tree of Life. It's got a moon on it, which is one of my other favorite symbols, so that's pretty nice. It is a big pendant. It's kind of light. I would say it's some kind of hammered metal. Moon, Tree of Life, cord. Of course, these guys, you know I saved them. A little blurb about the Tree of Life. So awesome. Trying to contain it, but it just won't be contained. Ooh, here comes the crystal part. This says onyx. It's not really like any onyx I've ever seen, but I'm not that much of a geologist, let's be honest. Onyx. So keep all the little parts together. Blueberry jasper. It's a pretty little tumble stone. Okay. Black tourmaline. I love little strings, purple string. Haven't had a purple string. Usually I get twine. Ooh, double wrapped. Ooh, very, very nice. This is big. This is probably what I felt. That was heavy in there. I'll put the bag in the thing over here. Alright. Venus Retrograde blend. Not sure what it is, but let's see what it looks like. Little goodies in there. So I will say it is small, but it is jam-packed. Oh, here's the fuzzies I'm always talking about. Let's put those aside for right now. It's kind of a deep box, so I gotta tilt it so you can really see into it. Charcoal, the charcoal disc. Magical Earth, Black Shadows, hand poured. Smells nice. It's a pretty little candle. Oh, adorable. Okay, let's put some of this together. So this is like a cauldron base. Some kind of cast iron. It's heavy. That's why the box was heavy. So this is a magical mini cauldron, uses to burn incense, which is nice because I once had an incident where I set the top of our safe on fire. So let's not do that again. This will be a nice place to burn incense. It's got little legs, so it's not getting so hot on your surface. Resin crystal teaspoon. Oh, Venus in retrograde incense. It's got frankincense, monastery rose, black copal, and cinnamon. Oh, and dragon's blood. It's intended to be used with a charcoal. Included is a charcoal brick. So basically, you put the charcoal brick, you light it, you put this on top. It makes a beautiful smell. So that's really interesting. I can honestly say I've never gotten an incense like this in one of my boxes. Black Shadows candle. Topped with tourmaline trips, biodegradable glitter, and leaf skeletons. So they are lovely. It's really nice and it smells good. The Tree of Life to celebrate our ancestors. Bumblebee jasper. Black tourmaline. Onyx. That's over here underneath the charcoal. Astrological overview for the sun in Scorpio with a small sun sign horoscope and a tarot card mindfully drawn just for you. So this is my first Magical Earth box. It was $49.99 a month and it is a subscription. I'm going to keep it for now. I feel like it is a lot. It is a lot in a small package, and it is stuff that I don't usually get in my other boxes. A little bit more astrologically influenced as opposed to cycle of the year influence like my other boxes, which is nice. I do like astrology. It's interesting to me and fun. So I will continue getting this box. This is my first box with them. I will show you November's box, and if you have any comments or if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you think.